we build our best world. All of us desire wealth to do good in our world. Therefore, we seek success and a reliable method to create wealth. We found a way. We share specific examples of how to choose words and images in our thoughts to attract more wealth into our life. Our lessons here explain our most valuable discoveries of what works most reliably. And because years of very painful experiences provided us with this knowledge, we share understanding of why our suggested activities align our inner and outer energies into a more coherent trajectory. We teach how to create a world of near certainty for us to accomplish our goals. Welcome to Better World Zone. We show exactly how our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. In fact, in the not-too-distant future, we'll reveal how we use these exact techniques to refocus our thoughts to build an amazing physical prototype of our dream. Something that nearly everyone else claimed as impossible. We continue preparations for a full-scale unit of this dream. And when ready, we'll release images and videos of this build-out. So subscribe now to start to experience life as part of our best world, because all our activities can and should move us and our posterity toward the life we desire. Learn about how our recurring words and images in our thoughts sustain or sabotage our subconscious, our autopilot. Literally, our future life experience depends upon us. Choosing our words and images in our thoughts with tactical precision in ways to construct our subconscious subroutines to support our larger strategic goals, our dreams. Practicing Better World Zone's methodologies assists us to grow new and ever stronger internal pathways which create abundance. Therefore, we can and we should craft our thought forms specifically to result in supportive subconscious behaviors that lead to wealth acquisition. Now, let's explore specific details of how our specific choice of words and images in our thoughts impacts our life. As we increase our awareness of how our words and mental images impact our follow-on thoughts, we start to recognize patterns. When we connect the dots between what thoughts lead to adverse results in our life and what thoughts lead to positive results in our life, this opens wonderful opportunities. Both our own personal growth and our positive impact within our spheres of influence increases. Many people struggle to connect the dots between thoughts that lead to negative outcomes and thoughts which lead to positive outcomes. Often, this occurs when we follow bad advice of fake it until you make it experts, who themselves lack know-how. Such bad advice required several years of tremendous pain to identify why their bad advice didn't work. Repeated attempts involving our best efforts to follow famous fake it until you make it experts failed to produce positive outcomes. Naturally, this felt frustrating because following their bad advice wasted years of our life. We needed to identify what actions created positive results and what actions created negative results. So, we attempted to answer a couple questions. 1. What thoughts and actions led to negative consequences? 2. How do we select and refocus our efforts into thoughts and actions which create positive results? Thoughts rooted in fake it until you make it concepts always lead to negative consequences. Why? Because our subconscious knows the truth. As a result, our subconscious supports truth instead of false statements. When we recognize false statements, we should choose to replace them immediately by declaring a true statement. We can avoid subconscious self-sabotage simply by replacing a false statement or false image with, "It's time to..." For example, when envisioning our dream car, never lie declaring, "I own a Ferrari." Instead, declare, "It's time for me to find a way to own a Ferrari." Another example. If still ascending our pathway towards increased wealth, never envision wealth while saying, "I am wealthy." Instead, we should choose to replace the false statement with a true statement, such as, "It's time for me to experience a wealthy life," because it's time for me to... Our wealth-supporting words emanate outward. Their sound energies transfer into the world around us. When we choose our words with tactical precision, our words attract experiences and opportunities. Remember, we hold the power to choose truthful, matter-of-fact statements. Our declarations of expectation and intention better align our life path along a trajectory that reaches our goal. During our future experience exercises, we resonate with and emanate energies that increase our abundance. In all ways, avoid fake it until you make it advice, because such advice involves lies, which cause subconscious self-sabotage. That produces the feeling as if pushing against an immovable wall. We provide the key breakthrough: simply speak truths and matter of fact. It's time for me to statements. Remember that as we use our words to rewrite the narratives that drive our subconscious subroutines, we carry our dream across the multicolored portal, across the Einstein-Rosen bridge, which guides the wormholes between our dream world and our physical reality. Reframing our words as truthful, matter-of-fact statements produces reliable progress toward our goal. So, sustain both expectations by using our words and intentions by using our actions. Remember that repeating this activity by integrating the following 3 tips locks our life path ever stronger onto our desired trajectory. Tip 1. Declare our success-oriented positive affirmation statements while looking ourselves in the mirror. Why? Because looking into the mirror communicates directly into our subconscious data recording nodes. For additional details, review our lessons about how to use the mirror principle. Tip 2. Immediately after declaring our positive affirmations of expectation, visualize a mini-movie of ourselves as the central character experiencing our dream. Tip 3. Use milestones of progress as an opportunity to strengthen our connections to our desired future. This means 2 things. First, that we should express gratitude that we moved on to the next step towards achieving our dream. And second, that after starting a next step of physical actions that align with our intentions to make our dream real, we should change our affirmative words to reflect our current position along our journey. Better World Zone's valuable insights help to re-energize our journey by refocusing our daily thoughts and actions. Implementing the activities we teach increases our momentum in merging our outer world with our inner world. To this end, Better World Zone provides valuable insights to accelerate all of us on our pathway to success. Subscribe to join the Better World Zone family and to receive notifications of our new videos with our treasure trove of resources to propel each of us on our journey to greater abundance and success. Until next time, radiate that inner light. We build our world.